Hello guys, today we will discuss how we can calculate the average velocity. This topic was left behind, so today we will discuss it. It is given by actually arithmetic mean. It is arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity for a given period of time. Average velocity is calculated as initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Basically it is arithmetic mean. How we are calculating arithmetic mean, you might have read in mathematics. Suppose we have 1 and 2 and 3 terms, then how can we calculate the average of these terms? Suppose this has some velocity A and this has some velocity B, and this body will have some velocity C. Then the average will be calculated as sum of these terms upon number of these terms. Here we will get A plus B plus C upon 3. Why 3? Because there is 3 terms. But only if we discuss about initial and final velocity, the average velocity can be calculated as initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. So forget about this. Okay, so it is also denoted by V bar. Here this line signifies that this is average velocity. So average velocity is given by U plus V upon 2. Here U is initial velocity and V is final velocity. Okay. Now we will discuss this questions which is based on acceleration. The question says that a man decreases its speed of bike from 50 meter per second to 35 meter per second in 5 seconds. Find acceleration of bike. Here what we are having is the initial speed is initial 50 meter per second. Here it is U, and final velocity V is final speed. Final speed is 35 meter per second, and the time is 5 seconds. So according to the formula of A equals to V minus U by T, we will get V is here 35 and U is 50 upon T is 5, which will comes out to be this is in minus 15. So this will become minus 3 meter per second square. This minus shows negative sign, shows the acceleration the body is retarding. Retarding means what? The speed is decreasing. Okay, so this negative sign shows the body is de-accelerate its motion, which means it is retarding. Okay, thank you. We will discuss some more questions in later videos. Okay, till then take rest, and if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.